Hi everybody. The website I want to share with you is Idaho Public Television's science track, and this is its home page. I've actually used this in my classroom to teach research, note-taking, and informational text. It's an awesome website. The website is very kid-friendly, and it's split up into diverse topics, as you can see over here. Everything from archaeology to space to technology, and each topic is then broken down into specific topics. When you go to a topic, they're all set up the same way, so once you use one, then it's easier for students to go through and go to another topic, such as if we go from archaeology to earth science. It's all set up in the same way with the category tabs at the top. We'll go back to archaeology, and these tabs are neat because it's easy for students to explore and go through the information. It's set up in a nice, neat way. The tabs are split up into an introduction, which is their homepage, and then it goes into facts, and the information goes a little bit deeper, and they do have to do some reading, but it's interesting information, and it's information that you probably wouldn't see, in everyday books. Then the links tab, it takes you to links outside of this website. So museums, projects, different kid websites that have to do with the same topic. The games tab, which was actually my students' favorite, takes you to games, and they're all free. Resources tab, which I'm going to come back to here in a minute, but there are books that students can read outside of the website if they're interested. A glossary, which is great for teaching vocabulary. A top 10, there's no top 10 here, but they're top 10 questions that students actually send in and then they answer. So it's really neat to have that interaction. And then of course videos. So if we go back to the resources tab, I love that they also include teacher resources, which is something that you can go out and find more information on or use building a lesson. And then they also include standards, so in a lesson that you can use with it. So I love that. If you're teaching, it's even split up between like math and language, and then if you go to another website, it will have, another topic, it will have different standards and resources that you can use. So it's an awesome place to find information and actually help you build your lesson. I love using this website. Once I actually introduced it to my students, they can go on and explore on their own and learn more. They actually asked to go on this during free iPad time, which it's a great website when they're asking and begging to go on to it. I partner with project teachers to teach nonfiction text and research and note-taking, and then they'll go and use the website for one of their standards. So, for example, we taught habitats for the non-fictional text, and so I knew that the project teachers were going to use habitats, so I used habitats to to teach, note-taking and non-fictional text, and so then they use the same website to go in and actually teach their habitat lesson. So it was awesome for us to be able to pair up and use the same thing, and we covered a lot of standards just using this one website. But I hope you find this website to be as helpful as I do. This is a safe and free and kid-friendly way to explore science. Thanks.